Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones and we're back again with a new video. So in today's video, we are going to be showing, well, I'm gonna be showing y'all some of the items I got in my FabFitFun box. So the last time I got a box, I didn't get the summer one. I guess this is the fall one. I got the spring one. So this is what this box is like. The other box I got was huge. It was like double this. But that's this one. Basically, they send you items 4 times a year. This is not sponsored by any means. First box I got, it was dope. I got a skillet in there. I had got so many different type of items. My last item, I got a bag, like a tote bag. Really cool stuff. So you get, oh wait, hold on. You guys, my name is Alicia Jones. You can call me Alicia Jones. You can call me Amo for show. Whichever one you like, I go by both. But I do crochet videos, I do hair reviews, hair tutorials. I throw a little bit of vlogs here and there. So if that is what you guys are interested in, hit that subscribe button, follow your girl over on Instagram, and yeah. So basically, FabFitFun, they send you boxes by the season. So you get a winter box, you get a fall box, you get a summer box, and you get a spring box. And yeah, and I like that you can turn it off and turn it on. Like if you don't want to get it that month, you can skip it, or if you want to cancel altogether, you can do that, no problem. That's what I like. I don't want to call and be like, so I want to cancel. Nope, you just go in, log into your account, cancel it. It's that simple, okay? But I'm gonna show y'all some of the things I got in this wonderful box. Now, I don't know what I'm getting, okay? I have not looked. I do not know what I got. And inside they send you a couple little goodies. This bright sellers for you want to sign up for some wine. Ooh, daily harvest, which I've been really interested in trying out. They got a coupon. And then every time you get one, it comes with a little magazine. You just, you know, just tells you about FabFitFun, a lot of different products that they send you and things like that. Ooh, and you can enter for a contest. So let's get into the goodies. Ooh, y'all, and I got some goodies, okay? I like I said, I do not know what I'm getting. This is what the box looks like in the inside, and you see the little leaves that represent fall. Like that. Now I'm not really a fan of fall. I'm a summer spring girl. But that don't mean that we can't celebrate. Ooh, wow. So this is Wish, and it's a rose hip and lotus mineral milk bath. Gently cleanses. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Y'all, don't this look so luxurious? Like, look at this. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I cannot wait to eat. Cocoa butter, shea butter, almond oil. This looks so good. So next, ooh, I've always wanted to try their products. Number 7 Laboratories. This is a resurfacing peel. Oh, it's a peel. 15% glycolic acid. That's what this looks like. Let's open it up because this is not about to be, I've never tried a peel before, but this is what it looks like. So it's like a little, yes. Okay, have you guys tried a peel before? If y'all did, let me know. Now, I've been seeing people try certain types of peels and they don't be looking good. So I'm just like, do I want to try it? Now, this one is Dr. Brandt. This is the Skin Changing Science. It's a 3D Limp Plump Fix. Okay. So that's what this looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, okay. So in the AM, so they have 2. This is the AM, this is the PM. The AM is a plumping primer. The PM is a nourishing lip conditioner. Yes, baby. I'm gonna need that lip conditioner in the winter. And the winter don't be kind to my skin. But that's that. Ooh, what else we got? Ooh, yes. Y'all, they got me a 2-piece set of packing cubes, baby. For the travel girl. Y'all know I love to travel when I can. When I get a good opportunity to travel, I'm gonna do it. But these are some packing cubes. Oh my gosh, Yes, look at that. It's so cute. So Leah Levine, she been traveling for years with only a carry-on, and packing cubes, she said, helps. So I need to get into packing cubes. I've never had them, but yes, packing cubes for the win. I'm gonna try it because you don't gotta go through all that waiting for your bag. I've packed with a carry-on before, and I get off the plane, walk right past everybody that gotta wait in the security. I mean, not wait in the security, wait for their luggage. Yeah, I'll be feeling good. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. So this is a PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Damn, y'all hooked me up. FabFitFun, what's good? So it massages and serums, soft silicone brushes, is waterproof, so it's perfect for in the shower. So this is what it looks like. The bristles are so freaking soft. Yo, I'm using this tonight. When I wash all my makeup and stuff off my face, I'm using it. It got this nice little holder, which you can plop it right in there. So cute. And it's such a pretty color too. I like that. Oh my gosh. So this is what I like about FabFitFun, you guys. They send you a little something to everything, okay? And they send you something for your kitchen. They send you some skincare. They send you something that you can travel with. And it's dope. Like I told y'all in my was it a fall box that I had got last year, I had got this really nice skillet and it was dope. But y'all, look at these measuring cups. Food 52 measuring cups and spoon set. This is just what they look like. Yo, I'm finna get rid of all my old ones. I'm not even playing. But okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If y'all interested in checking this out, checking out FabFitFun, I will leave a link to their website down in the description. Like I said again, this is not sponsored. I paid with this with my own dollar. So I think it's like 54, was it $54.99? And it is for fall, winter, spring, and summer. So the last box I got was spring, and that was like March. That was, yeah, that was for spring. And then when fall, right before fall hits, you get your other box. And then right before winter hits, I'll get my other box. So yeah, this is some dope items. Thank you, FabFitFun. Y'all, I'm entering to win this trip. Y'all, everybody been going to tell them. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.